Dust, mould, mildew, bacteria, allergens and other airborne contaminants are no match for the XPOWER commercial grade air scrubber purifier. Your industrial grade air purification solution which cleans and restores air quality to meet the demands of water damage restoration and jan sand job sites. A high-torque external rotor induction motor generates powerful airflow while the variable speed controls adjust for quiet operation. An advanced 3-stage filtration system enables the unit to restore indoor air quality while creating negative pressure for cross-contamination prevention. The unique filtration system consists of a washable first-stage nylon mesh pre-filter for easy cleaning between jobs. A second-stage pleated media pre-filter removes smaller airborne particulates. Air is then thoroughly cleaned with a third-stage long-lasting HEPA filter that is capable of filtering 99.97% of even difficult-to-capture 0.3 micron-sized particle matter. The compact X-3400 features durable precision ABS injection molded housing. An indicator light shows when the filter needs to be checked. A daisy-chainable power outlet allows for the setup of up to 3 units on one power source. Each unit weighs just over 13 kilograms, making it easy to move, and an easily stackable design allows for effortless storage and transportation. Powerful, effective and reliable, the X-3400 thoroughly purifies the most challenging of environments. Shop XPOWER's complete line for air scrubber systems with optional odor-absorbing carbon filtration as well as air movers, air pumps and dehumidifiers.